Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to create an SQL database. As you can see, it's assigned to Azure portal. I already did that for us and made the sandbox that's active. So right here, I'm going to actually half screen this and half screen. There we go, half screen. So as you can see, first step, create a resource. Go down to database, an SQL database right here. So create. And then to see the conversion subscriptions we need this resource group. That's going to be it. We can enter the database names. We DB1, and then select the server. We're going to do create new right there. Server name right here is going to be this, and then we'll need 4 to make it. We'll do goal for goal lake. And we're in East USA, correct. Use SQL authentication. That's what we're using. We're going to need the server admin, and then they tell us to use this password, which we'll copy over. Make sure it's any spaces or anything, or if we miss a number or something. And also, if you're actually making an actual database, please don't use a password such as this. This is one of the easiest passwords probably to crack, and it is not very secure. But with that, we're going to click OK, and select a backup. Generally done. It's 2021. Doesn't say what to do. Say the password. Does it say what location? Use SQL. Geo redundant right here. Yeah, we use geo redundant. Use it SQL. General purpose is going to be default, and so now that, and we're going to do that's all good. Select next networking. Okay, so that's all good. And then the public info that we want, and we want no default, and then TLS 1.2. Good. Now we're going to go next security, and in security we're going to not now. We don't want Microsoft Defender right now. And then what else we need is use existing data sample, or that's additional settings. So we are done. It's just not now. So additional settings, we want sample. SQL line default. That's a default, so it won't change right now. And that is good. So next we will do review plus create, and validate careers and industries, subscription, the resource group, region, database name, server, SQL authentication, SQL user. Seems all good to me. And so we are going to click create. And once it creates, it's going to be the deploy. So that's loading right now. Here we go. There's the deployment class. Timed out. Create again. That'll work. There we go. It takes 2 tries sometimes. So next, we are going to go to resource. To resource, right? Go to resources. Oh, deployment is in progress. It's not deployed yet. Never mind. The DB pages is providers. So it should be this. operation details. Wait, go to resource DB1 overview panel. Operation details maybe? No, so it's gotta be load. Deployment is in progress. So it's gonna take a minute. I'm gonna pause, and once this is deployed, I will start going again. Okay, the deployment is complete. So now the resource pops up. So go to resource, and then the overview pane right here shows the essentials of the newly deployed resource. Then in the command bar, we're going to want to set the server firewall. So that's right up here, it's the command bar, firewall. And what we're going to need to do is click yes. We want Azure services to access the server. And that should be it. So we're going to want to save this. Always remember to save. And now in this task, we want to X out that, and we're going to want to go to the all resources and search for like SQL database resource type. All resources. Dang. So all resources. Nope, that's not that. Okay. All resources. Here, one second. Let me find this. I was drawing a blank when it says. I'm sorry. This is the resources. This is all the resources. It doesn't say it anywhere, but this is the all resources page. So now we want to select the SQL database, and that should be. Sorry, I just had it. I'm sorry, one second. Okay, yeah. And then this is the SQL database, which doesn't have a label anywhere. But, so yeah, this was going back from the beginning, went to the firewall, then came back to this, and it's just going over it. But yeah, so we want to go to the query editor right there, and we'll give our username and password, just city. Okay. Okay. As we log in, oh no, we cannot open the server. The address. So review. Okay, we can go back to this firewall, and then what we need to do is client IP. We're going to add client IP at the top. Boom, it is added. That is what we need. And we're going to save this, right? And then we're going to DB1 and then the create editor. And then we're going to go back. Editor. Okay. And now we can create stuff. And it is loaded after we sign in. And we need to put this code, which you can just copy and paste. Super simple. Paste it right in there. And here, my video just glitched. Okay, that wasn't letting me drag it off to the side, so I wanted a full screen. Nope. Oh, why? Oh, I want this over here. It's 1 second while this view is messing up with me. Yeah, so apparently the full screen is a little. I'm just gonna have to go with this. Can we drag this? We just drag this to my. As you can see down here is the results. We get the socks, helmets, caps, jerseys, road grade. We get the information on them right there. yeah, there's that. And with that, then you can see the query succeeded, and that is actually it. We've created an SQL database and have successfully queried the data. But also, I want to go through is look at all these tables, look at all this data. So we're going to product, and we're going to run that. Or do we have to select the top 1,000 rows? And bam, there's some other information. We've got product IDs here, you got some road frames, some sport helmets, some IDs. You can see all the information. You can see what color it is. You can see here standard cost. So there's the average cost, list price, you got size, weight, product category ID, product model, sell start date, sell end date, discounting data, all of this information. And with all this information, companies, managers, such as I talked about in my description for this video, can look at this information, use this data to make detailed, backed up factual decisions for the company to push their company forward, uh, and be able to make decisions that benefit their company to the best of their abilities. And so yeah, that's that I do modified data, or that's actually a different one. So product category, we're gonna do this too. Select your top 1,000, and I'll take some note for somebody's query. Of course, all this is on the cloud. So with if you had your actual own computer, your own company, you would not be able to query all this fast. With this being on the cloud, you pay for what you need, pay as you go, and so you need a bunch of processing power to query a bunch of data because like companies like Amazon, they have thousands and thousands of uh, millions actually of data roles for all of their stuff that's been sold on their website. You take, I mean, Dick's Sporting Goods, it has millions. Like, how much units they sell every day online, they got to put that on a website and see, hey, what's selling, what's actually selling, what can we take down, what do we need to put up, and yeah, so apparently there's no information for this, which this is just a trial template. This isn't an actual company, so there's no information for that one. But for you to see this, you got some information they put here, at least the first one of the first ones or whatever. And oh, customer address, like you can see where are people buying this from, and that does not have something which I wouldn't expect it to really. But yeah, so you can see where are people buying this, what region, all that good stuff with querying data. But yeah, that's how you set up an SQL database. It's pretty neat and pretty easy to set up yourself. And go check out some of my other videos, because this is some very interesting stuff using Microsoft Azure cloud computing. Thank you.